In this video, I am going to be setting up and reviewing the Woohlab Printer Light Kit. So in this video, I'm going to try and cover all the special features, and hopefully this video will help you figure out if it is right for you. But first, disclaimer as always, this video is not sponsored. This was given to me for free by Woohlab to do a review, and I was not paid to say anything nice. So that's my disclaimer. Let's go ahead and set this up. Okay, so here is both of the light paints. They are turned on. And the way it works is very simple. They both have a USB-C connector, and then you take those USB-C connectors and you connect it to this hub, and then this hub gets connected to the wall outlet right there. So with the hub, it's almost like a remote control. You can turn it on, turn it off. You can set a timer, you can change the effects, and you can also change the rhythm. And on the back, there is some adhesive, so you can go ahead and stick it to the wall, and you can put it wherever it is convenient for you to access it. But I'm not really going to use this hub. I'm going to go ahead and connect it to my smartphone. So let's go ahead and do that right now. Okay, so now I have both of the paint lights turned on, and there is a little bit of a mess. That is because I'm in the process of moving, but never mind that. You can see that both of the lights, they cover up most of this wall, and you can see that it even goes up to the ceiling. Inside of the app, you can easily turn it on or off. You can pick between different colors, different scenes. As you can see right here, I can go into a green, or I can go into like a red and blue, or I can make it more pink or more yellow. It's up to you. You can have one of the lights a different color and the other one another color. You can have different colors on both of the lights. That's completely up to you. I also like on the bottom that there are rubber grips so it won't slide around on the floor. That's always important. And you can see that there are no buttons on the side or anything like that. So again, very minimalistic, very simple. I like it that way. And you can see on the inside of the light that it is spinning around. That is how it gets that little cool effect that you see on the wall. So this is pretty awesome, especially for gamers if you want to enhance your gaming setup, or it's just a fun way to decorate your apartment, and it's really quick to set up. As you saw, it is just plug and play. You don't even need to download the app because it has the hub right there that gives you pretty much all the same controls. Also on the app, you can control things like the rotation, you can put it on a timer, and you have different lighting modes. So you got static, breathe, marquee, gradient, leisure, relaxing, happy, dance, cheerful, party, powerful, or you can make your own. So you have plenty of options to customize the lights. So that is it for this video. As always, I will have a link in the video description below, and be sure to let me know what you think in the comments.